Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's painful, but crucial, the Sucide Factory asterisk. The pressure of competitive exams like JEE and NEET is not just challenging students academically, but it's costing lives. Let's talk about the harsh reality behind these exams, the toll they take on mental health, and why we need to address this issue now. First, crushing pressure of expectations. JEE and NEET have become more than just exams. They symbolize success or failure in the eyes of many families. The constant pressure to meet parental, societal, and peer expectations becomes unbearable for students, leaving them feeling trapped. The message is clear: fail, and you're a failure in life. This mentality is driving young minds to despair. Second, intense competition, limited opportunities. Millions of students compete for a limited number of seats in prestigious institutions. This hyper-competitive environment leaves little room for error, and students begin to internalize that only the top ranks matter. But when you have millions aiming for the top and only a few making it, the fallout is devastating. This constant stress deteriorates their mental health. Third, neglect of mental health. In this race for academic excellence, mental health is sidelined. Counseling and emotional support are often overlooked, leaving students to deal with anxiety, depression, and burnout on their own. Many don't know how to seek help or are afraid to because it might be seen as a weakness. Fourth, isolation and burnout. Students preparing for these exams often isolate themselves, sacrificing their social life, hobbies, and even sleep to stay ahead. This grind culture is celebrated, but it results in extreme burnout, leaving students emotionally exhausted and unable to cope with the pressure. Final, the tragic suicide cases. Places like CODA, the hub for JEE NEET coaching, have become known for the increasing number of students suicides. These young individuals couldn't see a way out of the relentless pressure. Their deaths are a tragic reminder that the education system, as it stands, is failing to protect its students' mental well-being. Thanks for staying with me on this important topic. The JEE NEET system needs urgent reform to prioritize the mental health of students and show them that exams don't define their worth. If you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out. No test is worth your life. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe as we continue these critical conversations. See you in the next video.